Welcome back. In today's digital age, we're surrounded by a plethora of AI tools designed to help us navigate in vast ocean information available to our fingertips. But let's face it, tools without clear goal can often feel overwhelming and frankly useless. So how do we cut through the noise and make sense of endless data we encounter? The answer lies in setting a purpose and employing effective strategies. For us, that strategy is use a concept map. Concept map not only help us organize our thoughts, but also enable to visualize connection between ideas, making it easier to sort through the information and exact meaningful insights. Join us as we explore how to leverage AI and conjuring with the concept maps we can transform the way we research and learn. Before diving into the world of AI tools for research and learning, the first step is set up some accounts. This process is crucial as it allows to access variable resources that can enhance your experience. Many AI tools offer free versions that provide basic features. These can be great for getting started and explore the functionality without any financial commitment. Examples include tools like Google Scholar, Research, and free concept mapping software like Miro. For more advanced features, you may need to consider subscription-based options. This option comes with enhanced capabilities such as increased storage, premium templates, advanced AI functionality. Tools like Miro and C-Space may require a subscription to get the full access. Once you've identified the tools that you want to use, visit the website and follow the signing process. This usually involves providing your email address and creating password. For subscription-based service, be prepared to enter payment information, but for this example we can use the free options to start without any financial commitment. Free tools can provide a solid foundation for your project, allowing to explore the functionality and determine which features are most beneficial for making any investments. After setting up your account, take some time to explore the features available, customize your settings and preference to tailor the tools you learn to style and research needs. As you start using those tools, maintain a list of accounts and their corresponding features. This will help you to keep track on which tools are best for specific tasks and ensure you're making the most of the resource available. By setting up these accounts, you'll be well on your way to leveraging AI tools effectively in your research and learning journey. Many AI tools offer free versions to provide basic features, and Google LM is a fantastic option to getting started with AI-assisted research. It helps streamline your research process and offers in-file suggestions that can lead you to relevant information quickly. Google LM, short for Google Language Model, is a powerful AI tool that's designed to assist your users in their research and learning endeavors. It leverages advanced neural language process techniques and streamlines the search process, making it easier for users to find relevant information quickly and effectively. Here are some key features of Google LM. Intelligent search engine. Google LM analyzes your queries and provides insight suggestions that can help refine your search, guiding you towards more relevant information. Contextual understanding. The model understands the context of your queries, allowing it to provide more accurate and meaningful responses based on the information you are seeking. User-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive. Google LM makes it easier to users to navigate through the vast amount of data without feeling overwhelmed. Integration with other tools. Google LM can be used with other AI tools and concept map softwares, enhancing your research experience by helping you organize and visualize the information you gathered. As part of Google's suite of tools, Google LM is readily accessible to anyone with Google account, making it a convenient option for students, researchers, and lifelong learners. Overall, Google LM serves as valuable resources for anyone looking to enhance their research capabilities and improve their learning process throughout the use of AI. To effectively use Google LM and maximize its capabilities, you need to provide it with relevant datasets and base information. Here, how you can prepare, utilize datasets for your research. Firstly, identify your research topics. Clearly define the subject or questions that you want to explore. This helps to gather focused datasets. 2. Gather datasets. Look for datasets that are pertinent for your research. You can find datasets from academic journals. Many studies publish the datasets alongside the findings. Government datasets, websites like data.gov, offer wealth of information across various fields. Open data repositories, platforms like Kaggle, USI, machine learning, and others. Thirdly, curate base information. Collect foundation knowledge related to your topics. This can include textbooks, academic papers like Google Scholars and others. Web articles and blogs. Reliable sources can provide contemporary insights. Videos and lectures. Education platforms like Coursera or YouTube can offer valuable context for your research. Before feeding the information into Google LM, ensure your datasets are very organized. Use spreadsheets or datasets for categorizing and labeling your data for easier access. After that, input it into the Google LM. Once you have your datasets and base information ready, you can start using Google LM. Enter your queries, specific datasets, and let the AI assist you in finding relevant information and suggestions. Then you have to iterate and refine. As you use Google LM, you might find that you need to adjust your datasets and refine your queries. Continuously iterate your inputs will help you improve the quality and results you receive. After that, evaluate your results. After processing your queries, take the time to assess the insights generated with Google LM. Analyze how you find them, align with exceptions and objectives, making notes of the areas you may further explore. Here are some examples how to use AI tools and concept maps for research and learning. By incorporating visual representation of information, you can enhance your understanding and refine your complex topics, while also identifying a connection between different concepts. Using those methods, you can create a more comprehensive and organized frameworks as you study, ultimately leading to deeper insights and more effective learning environments and experience.